Hello, welcome back friends in another fresh episode of Appseeker. I am your host Aditya and let's get the video going. Today's episode we are going to talk about a game, or there is no game, but technically there is a game. So let's see what I am talking. Yesterday I was getting bored and downloaded an app called There Is No Game, and the game was so interesting and I got hooked up. So let's see what this app is all about. Let's open it. Let's choose between French or British. I choose British. Let's see what this game is. So there is no game. Is it
Hello,
really?
user. I have bad news. Actually, there's no game.
Okay,
So, I hope you're not too much disappointed.
not at all.
You can still watch TV, go outside, read a book, ask for a refund. No refund. That can't free. This is not a game.
Oh, what is
It
this?
has nothing to do with a game. It's just a massive package of bull. What have you done?
Oh,
You've just ruined the title. Put it back.
okay.
Put the letter back. Come on.
It's not getting up. It's not fitting
I
back.
will fix it next time someone blows the game.
Oh, there is something coming down.
No game here. No game.
Oh, what is it? Oh,
Seriously, are you going to break it like that? Touch that. You're trying to kill me. Okay then.
oh,
As you love to click everywhere. Stop it now. I think we're good. Sorry, I had to use the sort of procedures, but
is
I
it
had
wood?
to.
Let's tap it. Oh, it's not breaking. Oh, it broke.
You're still more than you. I'm Superman.
Now it's metal.
Just in case. If you worked.
Oh, kryptonite.
I know Superman does not exist, but after in the game. No.
Oh,
Yes, go on.
as you guys see, this is the gameplay, and this game is really interesting.
We'll clean the place before leaving.
I hope you like it, so install it yourself and play. This will be a great fun, and just install it. You will not get bored. So this was the short video about the game, or there is no game. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Thank you so much for watching. We will be posting more such app and game related videos in future. Take care. Bye bye.